This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding where the blank page lives because you can't fix what you can't see. Turn on non-printing characters so you see paragraph marks and page breaks. Once visible, select the offending paragraph, press delete, and watch the page collapse. If a manual page break created the gap, remove it directly. If instead you find a section break, don't delete yet, note its type. Make sure to save a quick backup. This lets you experiment without losing layout or headers. Once you've isolated a stubborn blank page, inspect the section break type. Next page forces a new page, while continuous does not. If headers or footers cause spacing, use link to previous to unify or break linking to edit only the target section. Reduce extra top or bottom margins and remove large paragraph spacing. You can set spacing to 0 pt. Additionally, check widow and orphan control that may push lines. Disable it temporarily to reclaim. You finish by verifying the document in draft view, because images or anchored objects can force blank pages. Move or change anchoring if needed. If formatting persists, select all and clear direct formatting to reveal underlying structural issues. Once adjustments are made, save as PDF to preview the true pagination before printing or sharing. If you still see a blank page, check for headers with extra empty paragraphs. Edit the header directly and delete stray marks. This usually resolves the last stubborn blank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.